Factory automation, or FA devices, are designed for use in many types of environments, such as those with changing temperatures and exposure to vibration. These devices have become a significant driving force in the production of goods on the manufacturing site. However, FA devices are precision electronic devices. As such, there is a potential for sudden failure at any time. GOTs in particular are mounted to control panels and are more likely exposed to external pressures or impacts. Prolonged failure of equipment can have a severe impact on productivity. Failures must be resolved as quickly as possible. Equipment not running due to failure is known as downtime. In this chapter, we will learn the basic maintenance that should be performed to keep the GOT working correctly. The three fundamental topics of GOT maintenance are 1. Backups 2. Alarms 3. Batteries. I will cover these three topics in the next few sections.